Greetings! I'd like to show you some of the architecture here. Take a look at this building really quickly. It's beautiful. Beautiful architecture. You have the really pretty facade on the building, all the columns and everything. It has like a very Roman look to it. Really pretty. And a lot of these buildings are beautiful, even like up here as you're walking. They're super cool. Really pretty architecture. And every block that you go to here in Kyiv, Ukraine, you have these kind of buildings that are really pretty. There's another one coming up on the corner. It has white columns and big Ukrainian flag flying. You also see a lot of patriotism here in Ukraine. You see Ukrainian flags flying everywhere. And you see a lot of soldiers actually walking around on the streets and hanging out in various places. It's a beautiful city. Also a city at war. So you really get that feel as you're walking around. But great people, great, actually really good tech companies here. We just had another meeting with a great software company. They do financial accounting software. Really great. We talked to the CEO, Aliona. She's tremendously talented. And through her software, she's helping to support many, many companies right now in Ukraine. See, everyone pitches in and they do their fair share to help out with the war effort. So many of these companies are helping other businesses in Ukraine, helping the people of Ukraine, helping the government, the war effort. And so it's really interesting to see that, you know, everyone pitching in and doing their part. Take a look at this building. This is really, really cool. You have the huge columns. Facade. What do they call the trident? The three columns. That's the symbol up on top of the building, which you can see with kind of the three points. It represents freedom. And you can see the Ukrainian flag flying. So just beautiful city here in Kyiv. Actually, I could live here, I'll be honest with you guys. The food is amazing. People are super friendly. It's not dangerous at all. That's one of the rumors that you hear about countries like Ukraine, but it's really not dangerous. You could walk around this city all day long and feel completely safe. So, and they've been very friendly with us as Americans also. It's been really, really cool, the experience that we're having here. So anyways, coming up on the corner, I'll just show you this one last building. We have a Ukrainian church, and you can see the gold kind of spire on top. I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. These churches are all over the place in Kyiv. And it's a really cool addition to the city because you can see the gold spires just kind of glistening in the sunlight. Really a beautiful accent to the downtown vibe that you have here in Kyiv that really differentiates it and makes it a lot different from anywhere else. So anyways, yeah, that's more of downtown Kyiv.